I'm going to show you how you can watch Japanese Netflix with a VPN so you can access geo-restricted content that you wouldn't be able to watch otherwise. First thing we need to do is to go to our web browser and you want to go to netflix.com. From here you just want to click on the sign in button in the top right hand corner, then you want to go ahead and sign into your account. In this case I'm going to use my NordPass password manager, which you can get with a link in the description. Once you are signed into your account and selected a profile, we can go ahead and close out of Netflix, because what we need to do now is to use a VPN, also known as a virtual private network, to trick Netflix into thinking we are from another location. The VPN we are going to be using today is called Private Internet Access VPN, and you can get it with the link in the description below. So once you've got Private Internet Access VPN, you want to click on the VPN server button in the middle of the application, and then you want to select a VPN server from anywhere around the world. In this case we want a Japanese server, as we want to watch Japanese Netflix. In this case we have two. So you want to select the one with the lowest latency, which is Tokyo at 322 milliseconds. Once you've done this, you want to click the power button, and after a few seconds you'll be successfully connected to a Japanese server, so you'll be browsing the internet as if you are from Japan. So once you are successfully connected, we can close out of the VPN and we can go back to our Netflix application, and all we need to do now is refresh the page. After a few seconds, the Netflix application will refresh, and it will refresh to the Japanese version of Netflix. So as you can see here, when I scroll down, it says international TV series dubbed in Japanese because it thinks I'm in Japan. So from here, we can scroll through the list of exclusives that Japan Netflix has, and we can start watching Netflix as we normally would. And that's it. So remember to click on the link in the description to get Private Internet Access VPN. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.